Hi, this is Mrs. Atcahill, and we're continuing talking about Ozobot today. So we know that Ozobot has a sensor on the bottom and will follow lines. So what happens when it travels on a line that comes to an intersection? Let's press the power button and find out. Let's try that again. That time it went right. That time it went left. Left again. And right. And so watching as it comes to an intersection, we know that it's random. It could go left or it could go right. So Ozobot knows how to follow colored codes. And there are colored codes that tell it what direction to go, or maybe how fast to travel, or maybe even gives it some fun, cool moves to do. So let's go back to our intersection. I have a code on this one. Let's see what Ozobot does. It went left. Let's try again. Left again. So what do you think this code is telling it to do? It's telling it to go left. And so as it reads each one of these codes, it knows what to do. Notice that I put the code ahead of the intersection and not at the intersection. It needs enough time to think about it, so when it gets there, it knows what to do. So as you make your codes, it's also important to know that those codes are read going left to right. So my code was black, green, black, red, black. And so it was black, green, black, red, black. But if I have it backwards, it's not going to do the same code. As I read words, I always read words going left to right. So my codes need to be in that same way. So turning it this way, going left to right, is going to match that code. Sometimes it's very important because in this case, it would go red, green, blue, but if it was backwards, it wouldn't go snail dose, it would go nitro boost. So it's very important that you pay attention to the direction that your Ozobot is traveling and the direction that your codes are written.